friends and good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about the type of statement pattern. So friend, there are three type of statement pattern, that is tautology, contradiction and contingency. Okay. So out of the three type, first type, that is tautology, that we had discussed in our last video. Okay. So today in this video we are going to learn about contradiction and contingency. So let us learn about contradiction. So friend, according to the definition of contradiction, contradiction means a statement pattern whose all truth value are false for all combination. Okay, or in simple word you can say that if you have to given one statement pattern and if you have to say check either the statement pattern is contradiction or not, then initially construct a truth table. After constructing truth table, check the last column of that truth table. If all entries of last column of truth table of given statement pattern are false, then you can say that the given statement pattern is contradiction. Okay. Now let us take one example for better clarity. So friend, you have to given this statement pattern and your question is check either the given statement pattern is contradiction or not. Okay. So friend, for that purpose, initially construct the truth table of given statement pattern. Okay. So while constructing the truth table of any statement pattern, you must follow some rules. So your first rule is read the statement pattern carefully and note down the number of statement. Okay. So this statement pattern is read as P conjunction Q conjunction negation P disjunction negation Q. Okay. After that, note down the number of statement. Okay. So in this statement pattern, two statements are given. So write down the two statements, that is P and Q. Okay. After that, write down the truth value of two statements. So you have know that two statements have four possibilities. Either both the statement are true, either both the statement are false, either first statement is true while second is false, or either first is false while second is true. Means TT, FF, TF and EFT. Okay. Now second rule is again read the statement pattern carefully and check any negation are given or not. If negation are given, then solve it initially, then solve simple bracket and lastly solve square bracket. Okay. So in this statement pattern, negation are given. So you have to solve that negation initially. Means you have to find out the value of negation P and negation Q. Okay. So friend, in case of negation, if statement is true, then its negation is false, and if statement is false, then its negation is true. Okay. So negation P, statement true, negation false, statement false, negation true, statement true, negation false, statement false, negation true. Okay. Negation Q, statement true, negation false, statement false, negation true, statement false, negation true, statement true, negation false. Okay. After finding the value of negation P and negation Q, now solve simple bracket. So your first simple bracket is P conjunction Q. P, okay, this is available in our truth table. Q is also available in our truth table. So you have to find out P conjunction Q. Okay. In case of conjunction, you have know that when both the statement are true, then their conjunction statement are true. Okay. म्हणजे TT असेल तरच T घ्यायचं. TT, write down T. TT, TT, TT. No, then write down F in the remaining places. In this way you can solve first simple bracket. Now solve second simple bracket. In second simple bracket you have to give a negation P, disjunction negation Q. Negation P is available in our truth table. Negation Q is also available in our truth table. So find out second bracket, that is negation P, disjunction negation Q. Okay, negation P, negation Q, and in case of disjunction you have know that when both the statement are false then their disjunction statement are false. म्हणजे FF असेल तरच F घ्यायचं. FF, okay, write down F. FF, 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 no, write down T in remaining places. So friend, in this way you can solve first bracket and second bracket. Now solve the conjunction of these two simple brackets. So friend, this is your first simple bracket, this is your second simple bracket, and you have to find out the conjunction of these two brackets. And you know that in case of conjunction, when both the statement are true, then their conjunction statement are true. म्हणजेच TT असेल तरच T घ्यायचं आहे. TT नो, TT नो, TT नो, TT नो. म्हणजेच T घेणार का? नाही. म्हणजेच write down F in all places. So friend, if you can observe this truth table and specially you can observe the last column of truth table, then you observe that in the last column all the entries are F, and because of that this statement pattern is called as contradiction. Okay, now let us learn one another connective, that is contingency. So according to the definition of contingency, contingency means a statement pattern which is neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, in simple word you can say that if the last column of truth table of given statement pattern have mixed entries, then also the given statement pattern is called as contingency. म्हणजे साध्या भाषेमध्ये जर त्या ट्रूथ टेबलच्या लास्ट कॉलममध्ये ज्या एंट्रीज येतात त्या तर मिक्स असेल, म्हणजे काही टी येणार आणि काही एफ येतील, बरोबर, तर अशा प्रकारच्या स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्नला काय म्हणतोय आपण? कॉन्टिंजन्सी. सो लेट अस टेक वन एक्झाम्पल फॉर बेटर क्लॅरिटी. So friend, you have to given this example and your question is check either the given statement pattern is contingency or not. Okay, for that purpose you have to construct truth table. Okay, so friend, you know that for constructing truth table you must follow some rule, and you know that your first rule is read the statement pattern and note down the statement. Okay, so this statement pattern is read as P biconditional P conjunction Q, and in this statement pattern two statements are given. So write down these two statements, that is P and Q. You have know that two statements have four possibilities, so write down that four possibilities, means TT, FF, TF and FT. Okay, now the second rule is again read the statement pattern and check any negation are given or not. Then solve simple bracket and lastly solve square bracket. So in our statement pattern there is no negation, so solve simple bracket, that is P conjunction Q. Okay, P is available in our truth table, Q is also available in our truth table, so it's conjunction. Conjunction means when both the statement are true then their conjunction statement are true. म्हणजे TT असेल तरच T घ्यायचं आहे. TT, write down T. TT, 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 no, write down F. Okay, after that again read the statement pattern P which is available in our truth table. P conjunction Q means this simple bracket, this is also available in our truth table. Okay, P biconditional P conjunction Qs. Okay. So P, simple bracket, and in case of biconditional statement, when both the statement have same truth value, then their biconditional statement are true. म्हणजेच टी टी असेल तरी टी घ्यायचं आणि एफ एफ असेल तरी टी घ्यायचं. ओके. टी टी टी, एफ एफ ओके टी, सेम ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू नो, सेम ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू ओके, राईट डाऊन टी, and in place of this write down f. Okay friends, so if you can observe the last column of this truth table, then you observe that the last column have mixed entries, and because of that this statement pattern is called as contingency. Okay, I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion, and if you really understood and enjoyed today's portion, then solve this homework. And please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.